Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng dongyanatics.org, buong pusong pasasalamat na nakilala ko kayo from the first time, and for the reason kung bakit nabuo kayo, talagang isang malaking bahagi yan sa akin, and of course kay Marian, that nakilala namin kayo. Maaaring hindi lahat, pero to some as individuals. At dahil doon, mas na-develop siya into something bigger. And ngayon, in this very memorable day, natanggap ng foundation na itinayo namin one of the biggest, I think, biggest donations na talagang hindi mapapantayan ng kahit sino. And for that, I am very thankful and grateful. Thankful ako dahil kami, representation lang kami ng, kami lang mag-uumpisa niyan. Pero ang totoong makikinabang talaga dito, yung mga anak ng mga sundalo at gusto mag-aral. So, marami kayong buhay na napasaya, marami kayong batang binuhay ng mga pangarap nila. So, thank you sa inyo. We will, on my part, I will personally update you sa kung ano man na nangyayari through Tina here in Manila, and of course through Sarah there in Texas. So nag-establish na kami ng clear communication line na hindi pwedeng masira at matibag ng maling kwento. So we will stick with that. So salamat sa inyo. I don't know how else to say thanks, pero it's good that we share something else in common, which is our commitment to help. So ayos. Thank you sa inyo.